why you never feel like doing anything, and how to fix it. You have goals, you have dreams, but somehow, you just don't feel like doing anything. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, then tomorrow becomes next week, and before you know it, another year has passed and nothing has changed. Sound familiar? Well, there's a reason this keeps happening, one that has nothing to do with being lazy. And if you don't fix it now, you'll stay stuck in the same cycle forever. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to break free and start doing the things you know you should be doing. Let's fix this, the hidden reason you feel stuck. So why do you never feel like doing anything? The answer lies in your brain's dopamine system. Every time you scroll on TikTok, watch YouTube, or binge Netflix, your brain gets a dopamine hit, a feel-good chemical that rewards you for doing something pleasurable. Now, this wouldn't be a problem. Except these things flood your brain with way more dopamine than actual productive tasks like studying, working out, or reading. So your brain gets addicted to the easy dopamine, and everything else feels boring and exhausting by comparison. This is why you can watch Netflix for 4 hours straight but can't focus on work for 10 minutes. The dopamine trap and the solution. Here's the real danger. Your brain starts to crave only high dopamine activities, and suddenly doing anything difficult feels impossible. Your motivation disappears, and you convince yourself that you're just lazy. You're not lazy. Your dopamine is broken. So how do we fix this? By resetting your dopamine levels so that real work actually feels rewarding again. How to fix your brain. How to reset your motivation. Step 1. Dopamine detox. Rewire your brain. First, you need to cut out cheap dopamine for at least 24 hours. No social media, no video games, no junk food. Just a full reset. This might suck at first, but it will make normal tasks like reading, working, and exercising feel enjoyable again. Step 2. The 2-minute rule. Make it easy to start. Next, make getting started stupidly easy. The hardest part of any task is the first step. So instead of saying, I need to work for 3 hours, say, I'll just do 2 minutes. That's it. Once you start, you'll usually keep going. Step 3. Habit pairing. Attach work to dopamine. Your brain already craves dopamine, so use that to your advantage. Pair something enjoyable with something productive. Listen to your favorite music while studying. Drink coffee only when writing. Over time, your brain will link that pleasure to real work. If you do this for 1 week, you'll notice something incredible. Your brain will start craving real progress instead of just cheap distractions. Motivation won't be something you wait for. It'll be something you create. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, try a dopamine detox. Cut out distractions and just start, even if it's just for 2 minutes. Then come back and comment below how it felt. You'll be shocked at how quickly your brain resets. Your future self is waiting. Start now.